you can test one of our energy bites. This is made with dates and nuts, all from the Lev Haolam box. An amazing biblically inspired snack. Hi everybody, welcome back to the Lev Haolam kitchen. I am Rivka here in Israel and I'm joined by my good friend Chef David. David, welcome.
Hi, hello everybody.
I'm always so happy to be in the kitchen with David because he is going to show us how to make an amazing biblically inspired snack. Eating an Israeli date. This is one of the 7 species, Deuteronomy 8:8. We can go and read about it and know this is it.
Yeah.
And you're going to show us an amazing way to use this, right?
For sure.
All right. Well, let's jump in and you can let me know what we're doing.
Yes, today we're gonna do energy bites, very healthy, no sugar, only fresh ingredients. Main is our Israeli medjool dates. It's amazing. We'll use also cacao powder. It's actually from one of our producers. You received his products before. We have coconut powder. Also amazing almonds from our boxes from the Galilee, and we have sesame seeds for the coating.
Amazing. You know what I also just thought, David, as you were saying the ingredients, we also have ceramics that have come in past Lev Haolam boxes. This truly is a Lev Haolam snack.
And vanilla extract.
Okay, that you have to get at the grocery store. Okay, David, so I see you are prepared with the blender. So,
yeah, like food processor. We have all our ingredients here and just let's put it together. We start with the dates. We soak them in the water before. That will be easier to blend them.
Makes them a little extra soft.
Yeah.
And what you want to do too is take off the stem, and then you'll also just cut them with a knife. I can show you, it's very easy. David's putting those in there. It's truly easy. It's Rivka easy. That's a whole new level of easy. So you just cut them with a knife and then open them, and you can take the seed right out and they're ready to go. So seeing as how we didn't soak this one,
Yeah.
I probably have to eat it. Who could resist? These dates come from a family farm in the Jordan Valley. You guys, this farm is amazing, and it's 4 families that cultivate these dates for us.
So now let's put almonds.
These almonds too, they come from a moshav in the Galilee. And during these past 2 years that have been so unbelievably hard in Israel, I mean, really, it's been challenging. The owner of the farmer who owns this plantation spent most of his time away in reserve service. So his wife and kids were really taking care of the business. So the fact that we were able to send them to you in Lev Haolam box, really, it's a big deal. It really is.
Now let's put a little bit coconut powder.
Don't forget, subscribe to our channel. It's so nice to think that, like, just as we're cooking here in Israel, you can cook exactly the same way with exactly the same ingredients from your Lev Haolam box. If you have never checked out Lev Haolam, you can just look in the comments. We put a link there for you.
So
All right.
we put cacao powder and a little bit vanilla extract.
Oh, I love vanilla.
Yeah.
It's the best smell.
And now let's blend all together.
All right. You know, I like this recipe also just for making ahead of time and having ready for when your kids come home from school or when you come home from the office and you're just exhausted. It's lovely.
Very healthy, very nourishing.
Very nutritious.
Nutritious, healthy, sweet. So let's blend.
Woo. And the thing is, if it's too dry, you could add a little bit of water or a little bit of nut butter.
Yes. So I think this consistency is good.
Oh, this looks great.
You can form already.
We can roll them onto here.
So we will put 2 coats. We will coat with coconut, one,
Okay.
and second with the sesame.
Love the flavor of sesame. Just adds such a nice nuttiness to
You
it.
can also coat it with pistachio, crushed pistachio, whatever you prefer. Also nuts you can use like walnuts or pistachio, what you prefer, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
By your taste.
We just sent in the Passover box some pecans, so you could use those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we take it a little bit sticky. We form
Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna try too, David.
we form like balls. Small balls.
So you can make them whichever size you
Yeah.
want to make them.
And it's sticky, so it's easy to coat in what you prefer.
I'm gonna do mine in coconut.
So one is ready.
Oh, that's great. You know, you could also do a little bit of, I think, cacao on the coating if you wanted to.
Cacao, yeah. Maybe we have cacao inside also.
Yeah.
So it have like little bit chocolate flavor.
Oh.
It's chocolate crunchy because of the nuts, sweet because of the dates, and we have like vanilla there. So
Yeah.
really flavorful. Now
This is really nice. I'm gonna try one with a little bit of not too much cacao. And David, look, I made a combination of sesame and coconut, and I'm testing it. We'll see. Oh, it looks nice.
Also, as you see, we
Yeah.
can make different sizes,
Okay,
whatever you prefer.
I'll make a big guy. I think, again, this is another recipe because it's so simple that if you have kids or grandkids at the house and you want to do something fun with them that they feel like it's exciting, then I think this is a nice, activity.
Looks like candies.
Yes.
Much more healthy.
Come on in. Oh, you guys, this is a nice spontaneous opportunity. Oh. So come inside here. I know, it's typical. This is my pregnant lady? No, no way. My friends, we're so excited because Yosef, who is the manager of our online store, just popped into the Lev Haolam kitchen. And it's so exciting because he's actually on his way to reserve army service. We call it Miluim. But Yosef, before you go, you can test one of our energy bites.
Okay.
This is made with dates and nuts, all from the Lev Haolam box. So you can eat one and you can tell us if it's good. Moment of truth.
It's amazing. This is the moment of truth.
And while we're filming, my friends, we're going to have to stop because we actually have a missile attack and a siren. So we're gonna leave the kitchen for a minute.
Still tasty. Still tasty.
And we're gonna go to the shelter. While we're here in the kitchen preparing delicious food to share with you so that you can create it in your kitchen, I thought this is the perfect moment to share with you a little bit more about Lev Haolam and who we are and what we do. You see this year's Passover surprise box, and as you can tell, it was themed around Shir Shirim, which is the Song of Songs. But when you look at this and you go, whoa, everything looks so beautiful, it's more than that. All of these products represent small family businesses, artists, artisans, farmers, right here in Israel. And, you know, when you receive a Lev Haolam box, you actually become the energy, the spirit, the driving force in the Lev Haolam mission to support small family businesses, artists, artisans, farmers, right here in Israel. That is our mission. So if you would like to know more about Lev Haolam, please click the link below. We also have a special offer for your first box when you subscribe. And I would just be so thrilled to invite you into the Lev Haolam family. So check it out. If you have questions, you can leave those in the comments as well.
It's ready. As you see, we use different codes, different size. It's better if you put it on the fridge about half hour, even 1 hour. It's like it can be in the fridge all the time, but you can eat it just after also.
Amazing. Well, now Yosef told us it was amazing, but we need to check to make sure that it's amazing. So, B'tei Avon, I'm going to try one. B'tei Avon. Good. This is the one that I put cocoa powder on the outside. Definite 2 thumbs up for me. It's so delicious.
It's crunchy, sweet, like a candy. But easy, cheap, amazing treat.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends who also like healthy snacks. And you know what? Let us know in the comments, like what is your favorite healthy snack to make at home? Maybe we can get some ideas from you too. And if you haven't made it, definitely 2 thumbs up, yeah?
Yeah. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye.
Bye.